Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you how to delete TikTok videos using your mobile device. So if you are using Android or iPhone, don't worry because the process is the same. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first, you want to open your TikTok app and then go to your profile. You can see your profile on the lower right side of your screen, or it really depends on the device that you are using. And then just go ahead and choose the video that you want to delete, and then just go ahead and click on the three little dots on the lower part of your screen. So after that, just swipe until you see delete option. So just go ahead and click that and then click delete, and then just wait, refresh your profile, and then that's it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.